Hi, I'm Matt Bristol, Attorney and Mediator with Erica Baez Law. Several years ago, I came out of retirement to help Erica and her former law partner develop a mediation practice. As a lawyer for over 55 years and an ordained minister, I have a passion for helping couples mediate family law disputes in a way that minimizes damage to personal relationships and adverse impact upon the children. If a couple expresses an interest in reconciliation, that warms my heart, and I encourage them to give it a try. You know, having been married for over half a century, I can relate personally to most of the challenges that couples face. I've learned many lessons along the way, including the reality that marriage is hard work. My first wife, Betty, died of cancer 11 years ago, and God graciously used the internet to connect me with my sweet Mary Lou, who was also a cancer widow. Add all of our years of marriage together and we have over a century of marriage experience, plus 3 children and 7 grandchildren. I've lived a good portion of my life outside the country and understand many languages and cultures, and I always enjoy helping couples from other cultural backgrounds, as well as senior citizen couples in my age range. Some couples I help are my children's age, and some not much older than my grandchildren. Honestly, I love what I do. My legal career has been a combination of federal and military service, including serving as a federal prosecutor, chief trial judge for the military, corporate counsel, international lawyer, and private law practice. I enjoy mentoring young people and have been serving as a judge in an area school mock trial program. Whenever the opportunity presents itself, I really enjoy helping active duty servicemen and women and veterans. Having trained with state judges at the National Judicial College, I understand how judges think. I usually have a pretty good idea for what they're going to likely decide on a specific issue where the parties take their dispute to court. For more information about working with our firm, please visit our website at baezlawrva.com and schedule a consult. Follow us on social media at Erica Baez Law. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.